Hi, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to learn how to write uppercase character Z. Bring your marker near to first line. Touch the first line. Make curve here. Then touch the second line. Then move your marker downward on fourth line. Make loop here. Then move your marker upward diagonally after touching the third line. Pick up your marker. Here is uppercase character Z. Once again I am writing here. Move your marker on first line and make curve here by touching the second line. Now move your marker on fourth line in a curve form. Make loop here. And now diagonally move your marker upward after touching the third line. Pick up your marker. Here is uppercase character Z. Hope all of you have learned it. We will meet in next video with lowercase characters. See you. Tata.